Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can do these Faux Locs using Brazilian wool. And if you're my oldest subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, honey. I do appreciate your support and I'm not taking it for granted. But if you're new to this family, you're welcome. My name is glorymtuy. Before you leave, feel free to hit the subscribe button below, turn on notification bell, and don't forget to share with your loved ones. So after I section my hair, I go ahead and I use this all sun gel, but you may use any kind of gel that works for you. So after the first section, I apply some gel and I redo to section again to get neat and clean section. I use Brazilian wool, and each section I use 8 strands. So in case you don't know how to braid, just hold the wool at the middle. Make sure both sides they're even. I'll hold the wool using my middle finger, then I'll release my index finger and my thumb finger so that I can hold well my natural hair. So I use my index finger to divide my natural hair into two, and at the same time to divide the wool into two. The first section to start grab is the inside one. Hopefully this makes sense, because once you start to braid the up one, the wool gonna slide. So I start braiding the inside wool, and the way I braid, I just turn my hand a little bit so that I can hold well that section, and then I keep braiding. In case this method does not work for you, don't worry. In this video I show 3 different methods that you can use. So after I braid, I use another 3 strands. I make sure these 3 strands they are even. Then I hold the end of my hair and then I start wrap. You have to make sure the other piece you hold it well so that when you cover your hair, that piece will be well covered. You don't want this piece to show out. So when I wrap, I make sure I don't wrap too tight because I don't want to cause any tension. And I'm telling you, if you wrap or you tie your hair too tight, this style is very pain. So just go gentle, use a little bit gel, and when you are wrapping, just wrap gentle. So I keep wrapping till I finish this 3 strands. Just like this. Then I put this strand together and I pick 3 more strands. Just like this way. Then I keep wrapping. So after this 3 strands finish and the length I want, I didn't get it yet, I'm gonna add 3 more strands. Then I keep wrapping. So after I add these 3 more that I find it's okay for the length I want, then I take only one piece. I wrap a couple times. You may decide to wrap 2 times, 3 times. Then I secure twice. And you can see this lock move all sides. It means it will be very easy for me to style these locks in any style that I want. In case method number 1 does not work for you, this is method number 2. Just divide your wool just like this way. One side just divide into 2, and then you can hold like this way, while other side just hold it normal. Then attach it on your natural hair. Use your index finger to divide your natural hair into 2, and then allow your index finger to pass through till the wool section, and just pick one side and start braid. you just braid normal. You have to make sure you turn your hand a little bit so that you'll allow your fingers from other hand to pick the section that is under, and then continue braid just normal way. In case this method does not work for you, I still have another third method. So again, take 3 strands. At this point, if you start with 2 strands to wrap, just make sure you'll wrap with 2 strands. If you wrap with 4 strands at the beginning, just make sure the whole section you'll use the same strand to get even lock. So keep wrapping till the first 3 strands finish. If you don't like add strand on the way, you may decide to cut more wool that is a little bit longer. I mean the wool you'll be using to wrap, you may decide to cut a little bit longer so that you'll not add any wool all the way.
Wasn't made for everybody. We're different, you and I. Don't you?